We were out of our house for 5 months while it had to get repaired. It was pretty substantial. We had the water line was almost 3 feet high, and we had probably 4 inches of mud throughout the house when we walked in the next day. Everything in the house from 3 foot down had to be pitched and replaced. So we've had to replace most everything we had. If you can apply, apply. I mean, it really is easy. The link is easy to navigate. Just everything about the process is easy. I would like to think a lot of people have kept receipts anyway, because it is a tax write-off for the damage of anything that you don't get reimbursed. So you're already kind of doing the work. It's just getting it maybe a little more itemized, but it's another step and it's free money.